The Lincoln Navigator SUV beautifully showcases the warm and welcoming signature Lincoln embrace. This is a greeting from your vehicle that recognizes your presence and automatically illuminates the exterior lighting and door handle pockets, as well as the Lincoln welcome mat that's projected onto the ground from lights under the outside side view mirrors. The signature LED white exterior lighting with the available full-width light bar across the grille and the Lincoln Star logo illuminates slowly and gracefully as you approach. And when you lock and walk away from the vehicle, it then gradually dims. Lincoln Navigator lighting is controlled through the center touchscreen and defaults to auto lamps every time you switch your vehicle on. Simply select the light icon on the right side of the center screen to bring up the lighting screen, then select exterior lighting. Select the top headlamp icon to turn on the lamps or touch the next icon down to turn headlamps to automatic. You can also turn the parking lamps on or off through this screen and also turn off the headlamps with the bottom icon. In order to turn on the high beam headlamps, push the lever to the left of the steering column forward. To turn them off, pull the lever towards you. You may also turn on the auto high beams feature by setting the lighting control to the auto lamps position in the center touchscreen. The Lincoln Navigator SUV also features adaptive pixel projector LED headlamps with dynamic bending. The lighting technology is so advanced that it can provide additional illumination on the road depending on vehicle speed, or it can also move the light to focus on where the vehicle will go into a turn and even adapt when the front camera detects certain traffic signs. Adaptive front lighting turns on only when auto lamps are on. Thank you for watching.